students. Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are perfectly fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. And this is Akanksha Pandey from LPM Public School. I am your subject teacher of science. So students, as we know that your chapter number 6 is in proceeding and the exercise related to this chapter has been solved. And now today I am going to explain about the some word meaning related to this chapter. In this chapter there are some words, difficult words are given, and so I hope this word and the meaning of this word needed by you. So I will describe today about the some words from your chapter. Students, as we know that your chapter name is the green plants. So in this chapter you will learn about the green plants and the leaves and types of leaves, function of leaves, and the how to leaves make food by their own, and many more things you have learned by this chapter. So students, now today I am going to explain about the some word meaning as like the your first word is photosynthesis. Students, do you know about the photosynthesis? Anyone know? Students, as we know that the photosynthesis is the process by which a plant uses the energy from the light of sun and produces its own food. It means students, फोटोसिंथेसिस वो प्रोसेस है जिसके थ्रू प्लांट सनलाइट से एनर्जी ले करके और अपने लिए भोजन मीन्स फूड प्रिपेयर करता है. सो दिस इज द photosynthesis. Now repeat again. Photosynthesis is the process by which a plant uses the energy from the light of sun and produces its own food. And now your second word is food chain. What is the food chain, students? What is the food chain, students? What is the meaning of food chain? Food chain, a series of organisms in which each creatures eat. It means food chain वह सीरीज है जिसमें सारे क्रिएचर्स भोजन करते हैं, मीन्स वो अपना अपना भोजन लेते हैं. एंड इन द वन वर्ड द मीनिंग ऑफ फूड चैन, ऑर्गेनिज्म. व्हाट इज ऑर्गेनिज्म? Spelling of organism ORGNISM. Now your third word is interdependence. Students, you have also seen in your chapter a word interdependence. So what is the meaning of interdependence? Interdependence means two or more things they depend on each other. It means दो या उससे भी अधिक चीज़ें जो एक दूसरे पर निर्भर होते हैं, मीन्स डिपेंड होते हैं, वो क्या कहलाता है? इंटरडिपेंडेंस कहलाता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द मीनिंग ऑफ इंटरडिपेंडेंस इज टू आर मोर थिंग्स दे डिपेंड ऑन ईच अदर. एंड नाउ फंक्शन. योर नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज फंक्शन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फंक्शन? द मीनिंग ऑफ फंक्शन इज पर्पस. And now your next word is storage. What is the meaning of storage? Storage in the one word meaning of storage, repository, and the full meaning of the storage, the putting and keeping of things in a special place for the future. Means वो जगह जहाँ पे हम अपने फ्यूचर के लिए चीज़ों को कलेक्ट करके रखते हैं उसे हम स्टोरेज कहते हैं. So students, your new word is remove. New word is remove. The meaning of remove, clear, and now we can say also the eliminate. The meaning of remove. The meaning of remove, clear and eliminate, erase. These all are the meaning of remove. And next is observe. What is the meaning of absorb? Soak up means take up means lena. And now at this carried. The meaning of carried is convey. Spelling of convey convey. And now student, now repeat again. Let us see the meaning of photosynthesis. The meaning of photosynthesis is the process by which a plant uses the energy from the light of sun and produces its own organism. Two or more things, they depend on each other purpose. Two or more things, they depend on each other, that is called interdependence. And the meaning of function is purpose, and the meaning of storage is repository, and the meaning of remove is clear, and the seventh absorb meaning is soak up, and the carried meaning is convey. So students, and now students, come and let us see the sum exercise from this chapter. Your first exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct word. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Your first is most plants on the earth are, your options are green and non-green. So what you will feel? You will feel the green. Most plants on the earth are green. So trick on the green. And second is the stomata. The let air flow in and out of the leaf. Which parts let air flow in and out of the leaf? Stomata let air flow in and out of the leaf. So you will tick on the stomata. And now students, next is green plants make their own food with the help of, your options are stomata and chlorophyll. So which option is right? Students, you can see here your option chlorophyll is right, because with the help of chlorophyll, a green plant make their own food with the help of chlorophyll. And now fourth is the your option is stem and root takes the prepared food from the leaves to other part of the plant. Which parts take the prepared food from the leaf to other part? Students, as we know that the stem takes the prepared food from the leaves to other part of the plant. So you will trick on the stem. Stem, spelling of stem STEM. And now fifth is extra food prepared by the leaves is stored as, your options are iodine and starch. Which option is right? Students, as we know that the extra food prepared by the leaves is stored as starch in different parts of the plant. So you will click on the starch. And now students, your next exercise is match the following. Your next exercise is match the following. Here is the two column given here. In the first column, first is veins. So veins, what is the veins? Veins is the transport within the leaf. So you will match with the B. And second, photosynthesis. What is the photosynthesis? As we know that the process of preparing food is called photosynthesis. So you will be matched with the D. And now next is stomata. Stomata taking in and giving out air. So you will match with the E. And fourth is glucose. Glucose is the prepared food of a plant. So you will be matched with the C. And fifth, starch. Starch is the stored food. So you have to match with the stored food. Option A. Now repeat again. A is veins, so veins match with the B, and photosynthesis match with the D, and third stomata match with the E, and fourth match with the C, and fifth match with the A. And now Your next exercise is very short answer type question. Students, you will give the one word answer of this question. Your first question is the green substance present in leaf. What is called? That is called chlorophyll. Spelling of chlorophyll CHLOROPHYLL. And now second is the flat surface of the leaf. The flat surface of the leaf is called leaf blade. And third, the process by which green leaves prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. And the food prepared by the process of photosynthesis is called glucose. And a chain that shows a series of organisms where each member depends on the lower member in the series for the food is called food chain. So students, now all of you have to write this all exercise in your fair copy, and the word meaning of this chapter you will write in your CW and SW copy also, and learn also. And students, now thanks a lot for watching this video and take care of yourself. Goodbye, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.